Yo, do I look like one of those fucking Mandela catalog alternates? You know the one that had that's like, it's like the big black spoon looking thing. And it's got like the two eyes, just like. I had this up because I was just fucking with filters and I was just messing with the color key, chroma key. I think it calls it color key. Um, what's up, boys? All right, so I wanted to do something tonight for stream. But so I've got this final project in school, right? Because semester is almost up, and I need to get something done. I need to do my programming assignment. So it's just like to make a game, but right, like a program or something. But most people did games, so did I, because we learned to do it in Unity's Create with Code course. You know how to program. I'm not too great at it, but I think we'll be able to do just fine. I've got some work done, but I thought, how can I stay interested? Because I was getting like sidetracked and distracted, and of course it's just to start streaming it. So that's what we're doing. What was I on about? Oh yeah. So next week, not this coming week. Ah, pissed. Today's Monday. I go back to school Tuesday. Um, so today, yeah, not this week, but next week, semester's up, so I need to have this done by then, because it's semester class. Um, so I'm gonna try and get a bunch done tonight, and then over the week I can just kind of put the finishing touches on. You know what I'm saying? Because we've had this final project for a while. It doesn't need to look good. It just needs to have code. So that's what we're doing. Is everything working? It doesn't need to look good. It just needs to have code. So that's what we're doing. Is everything working? Doing. Is everything? Oh hey, we can do 1080p HD now. Dude, fucking radical. At least this stream so far. Okay, what was I doing? Alright, so this is what we got so far. I didn't know if you could use plugins, so I was fucking stressing. Like I said, I'm not very good at this. Over how to get a good camera working. Because for some reason, never in the whole Create with Code course you did like a third-person game, right? So it's not really working with the mouse right now. It might just not. Um, but it do follow the player. Very slowly, but it do. I think I'm going to increase that. Yeah, it's good enough. Okay, so problems right now. This is the Holy Cross, I have it set to shoot forward. A lot of this is just Google searching and using like my old Create with code is what this is gonna be. But again, I thought I need to stream, so it only shoots. Like, I had it set to like vector 3 forward. Oh, comment on the organization. Instantiate. Oh yeah, the bullets. I'm stupid. I was wondering what it was. Yeah, vector 3 forward. So, I mean, it goes forward. We got some enemies too. Got it. This guy is the only real done one right now. He kind of chases you around. I don't think he should be that fast, but he is. And takes your health down and you die. He doesn't work. It doesn't work yet, but we're working on it. That's what this stream is. Also, we're just gonna reduce his speed a bit. No way that's 2, bro. What? God damn, did you see how he was going? So when he hits you, he starts a coroutine. My if statements are fucked. I use a lot of those. I think that's bad for like big games, because like you're trying to optimize everything and a bunch of if statements, especially in like a avoid update. can cause, like, because it's constantly running through all of them, you know. I think Yandere Dev did that, and it slowed down his game a lot. But, what's it? Fuck, man. See, I can't stay focused. Oh, yeah, so he hits you, and then he starts this coroutine, which waits for 0 seconds, because I needed to put something here for a coroutine. I needed a yield return thing. At least it wouldn't let me run it without this. I mean, I know there are other commands. Don't worry about it. So it sets the speed to 0, and then waits 2 seconds, and he starts moving again. So does he have a tag on him? I did some work on this. I had this part working, where he, like, hits you and actually damages you on the school computer. But I don't have this up on GitHub, like, correctly. So I can't really upload to it to save the changes. So I'm just going to upload whatever I get done. Hopefully a big amount here, and then work on it at school exclusively. Or unless I can figure out GitHub. But, you know. Well, I mean, just don't worry about it. Okay. So he's enemy. This might be a boring stream. I'm going to be real with you. You know, hold on. I swear this was set up differently. Huh. No, okay. See, this shit. I can't remember any of this. I like, type it in, you know, get it working, and then I just keep going back. My memory's not good. See, like, look, I did it there, so now I'm just taking. Which I don't think is what, you know, programming's supposed to be all about, you know? That's not really indicated. See, I didn't void update. You're not even supposed to do it there. Which means I might not be very good at this whole thing. But, you know, whether I'm actually good at it or not, I still need to get it done, you know? Okay, so I think now. Okay, yeah, you lose health. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna change that. That's annoying. Okay. This is annoying and not good for gameplay. So it's going to fire, I think it should, from the middle. Because bullet hitbox big, don't worry about it. Because it's kind of annoying for it not to. So if they get hit twice, they die. I'm gonna need to make a way for you to tell you've hit the enemy, because I can already see that's not going to work good. I could just put a sound in. Yeah, that could work. This is just a really loud fucking Vinesauce Granddad is the reload sound right now. You can also reload on full ammo. Granddad! That is loud. Oh yeah, I think the bullets have this problem. Check this shit. Where they, like, I think they progressively get higher. No. Is it the ground that's fucked then? I don't know. Okay, so we need to set up game over. So right now I've just got, you know, stuff down here. I'm gonna be pulling a lot of this from the final thing we did in Create with Code course, because we have to work with what is it called? TM Pro. Text Mesh Pro maybe. I don't know what it's saying. Yeah, Text Mesh Pro. I fucking hate Text Mesh Pro because look at this shit. Look at how comically large this is. But then, like, in-game... Well, it is here, I guess. In-game, it was never, like, that big. But I think right now we can avoid the horrible of it. Oh, yeah, I was talking about this earlier. But I kind of got off track. Somebody else was using plugins, and Teacher was fine with it. He like helped them set up a plugin. So I decided, since I couldn't get the camera working, and I'm not very good at it, you know, like I am not at this whole thing. I'm just using Cinemachine because like I could not get a camera set up. So to compensate for the fact that, and this isn't going to take as much code as I thought it was, this original idea. So to fix this problem that I'm noticing, I'm going to have to do something. Oh yeah, there are going to be multiple levels. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, so this is going to be black text because it kind of blends in with the horizon. If I can... Okay. Huh, that's centered? Is the cam off? Yeah. Zero. Well, no, now it looks... Because that looked bad. It looked off-centered. You know, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Who cares? Right. Okay, so... Yeah, there. That looks great. Not bad at all. Okay, you know what? I'm thinking my camera might be blocking some of the important stuff. So I'm gonna, like, try and fix that, kinda. Maybe, if I can figure out where the fuck it is. What does all of this mean? Oh, piss, dude. See, see how hard it is to just make something, like, you know? To make something, like, have 50% opacity. Because I found one that says it's going to do that, image mask blend. But it's not. You know what? I guess I just gotta hope it's not blocking anything too big. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So, what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, that's mine. Windows key. I got it unbound so I don't actually open up the menu while I'm doing this. Okay, what are we doing? Yeah. So basically we're gonna have to do that one thing, you know, where we add some buttons in. We're gonna add buttons. Clicky click buttons. Actually, wait a minute. You know what? This right here needs to... Okay, there we go. Alright, nice, nice. So, what are we doing? Well, basically, we are... And there are going to be two buttons here, a restart and an exit. I don't know how to make a button close the game, but we'll figure it out. Where is the button? Like, I see it on the game menu, but where it be, though? This does not help. Oh, this is what I was complaining about. Look at how large this fucking button is, because it put it on the canvas. Look at how comically fucking oversized this is in the menu. This is so annoying to work with, I feel. Because, like, piss off, dude. Why is it not normal sized? It's because it's on the canvas. Okay. What are you saying? You're saying quit. This is the quit button. So how do we make it say what we want it to say? I should probably know how to do that. But I don't. So we'll figure it out together. I know what that does. I've used it before. But, you know, it's just not coming to me right now. Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. We gotta get the text TMP inside. I am beyond dumb. But don't worry about it. And then right next to it's gonna be restart. Alright. It's like game, restart. You wanna play a game? Over, you exit. See, I'm just a mastermind. These things just come to me. It's gonna be red to be loud and obnoxious too. Should probably have positioned the down here so that it's not nighttime. It looks like under the. No, you're not child to that. You're child to this. So this becomes. All right, nice. Okay. We're figuring it out together. You know, because F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all down in the deep blue sea. I wonder if this is how I did it before. I guess we better check. Not that. I'm not trying to hack games. This is for me trying to find Cold War. If you guys notice, I know there was a Cold War beta that leaked, or alpha that leaked a while ago, the June 4th alpha, and I downloaded it, but I need the gamehack.dll because the download I got didn't come with it, and I need it to run it. So they never uploaded it with it. The archive.org download for it never had it. So I don't know. Difficulty button. Right here. Buttons. This is what we need. Okay, so we're just going to copy a lot of this. Because, you know, we're dope like that. We'll make health actually do something later. So this exit button script will be applicable to most exit buttons. Like this base script. All two of them, I think they're going to be, because I think I'm making 1 level, 2 levels, if I have time, 3. I don't know what I'll do for a third one, but I'll figure it out. You know what, man? We're just going to... See, I told you guys, I don't know why I clicked off. I'm not a good programmer. Good at fucking copying my own work, though, which is really the work from the Create with Code people, because I just did this from there, because that was what we were supposed to do. Why is Edge open? What is this? That was from earlier. Okay, start game difficulty. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I should probably have had a game manager from the start, but here we are. I have the game manager script, but I just never made the object for it. You actually don't need P-health anymore. I don't know why that's there. This is going to be for testing, but it just turned out to be level 1 because I didn't want to make a new scene. I guess I need a start menu, maybe, if I have time. It's just a little more programming I can throw on to say I did more. experiments and got nothing fucking done. Let's go. Alright. So we got all this in here. We don't need this. None of this works. Or no, button. Get component button. That's this. Private button. Button on click add listener. Difficulty. Set difficulty. So actually it's gonna be add listener quit. Log game object. You're going to do nothing for now. You're just going to say game object name plus was clicked so we can debug log this and figure out why it doesn't work. Huh? Exit type. Private game manager, game manager. Game manager equals game object dot find game plus manager. What the fuck is the problem? See, I don't get any of this. 713 and 813. The button could not be found. What's at 8? This. Oh, because you're not using Unity Engine.ui. There we go. Now it's nope, it's capped. Oh, I thought it wouldn't be. Does this work now? No, game manager still cannot be found. Anything else I'm missing? Why do we need the game manager? You know what? We're just going to do that for now, because we might not need it. Quirky. Silent static quirk, you know. Okay, so we're clicking it. Oh, I haven't applied the script. I don't think. Okay. Hopefully I haven't, because otherwise I wouldn't know what's wrong. Okay, it was clicked. Nice. Let's go. Woo! Button was clicked. Okay. But, yeah, okay, now we need to make it actually quit. How do we do that? I never learned how to do that. How to quit. Quit the game in Unity. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. This should work now. Everything's saved in case it actually... I don't think it quit. So... I need to change the tint. Why isn't the tint there? That's something else I want to do real quick. So that if it does quit, I know it does other than just that button. Or maybe I'm just stalling. But it's okay. So I've got nobody here to tell me not to. Colors. Oh, not that. I used to know how to do this, but now I don't. Let's fucking go. Woo! Yeah, it looks different. Well, sure, why not? Thought that wouldn't change this. I thought that'd change the individual stuff. It's okay. It's alright. Actually, that looks bad. Take it back. Take it back. No. No, it don't matter right now. So it's clicked, but it's not exiting. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably useful. Okay. Yeah, I was hoping I wouldn't have to use that because I don't remember him. I'm changing this. I don't like it. Okay. Normality is restored. So I want to... Yeah. There it is. There it's not. It's got all these things, but you know what none of them are? Quit application. Oh, it's down here. I'm smart. No, it's not. Where is it? I know it's in there. I know it's in there. Oh. What's the problem? Is that it? Is that what the big hoopla was over? Yes. Exit.quit. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, I'm hoping it'll just exit, let's see. Exit play mode to save the scene. Hoping it'll just quit the play mode, not the lab, but I don't think it'll do that. It doesn't do anything! This will only work from a built application. Okay, so I just have to have faith that that works. I guess. Alright. Well, we basically completed the game, guys. Exit button's done. Ending stream. It's 1:14 a.m. The dogs are whining. I don't want to go out there. And I don't think we've never taken them out this late anyways. They should be asleep by now. Okay. This one will be called restart. I didn't make it a button. Button text message pro. I might have just done a regular button. Wait. Restart. You're gonna be green. Get back in there. What do you think you're doing? What? Okay. Copy position. Paste position. Move it over a bit. Boom! Shakalaka. Yeah. Yeah. God, why is everything I do so fucking awkward? We got any viewers? No, thank fucking God they don't have to see this. Okay. Does this one feel more ahead than the other? It's not, though. You guys notice that? No, that doesn't change it. I don't know what the problem is. This one's bigger? It's because restart's a bigger word than exit. Push the box out a bit? I don't know. It don't matter. Alright. So you can just be for buttons, huh? Yeah. 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 Public void restart. So I don't think we're gonna have title screen, because I don't want to go through with that. Maybe. Don't know yet. We'll have to see later. Okay. Button on click through. No. So I'm just gonna rip this straight from my create with code, because I did the same exact fucking thing with a restart button. Oh, yeah. That's easy. I don't know why I had time change. Oh no, that was for arrays, maybe. No. I'm really drawing a blank here. I don't. Arrays was just, we did array practice one day. Like a whole lesson just on arrays, you know. So. Alrighty. There is no scene manager. How do we fix this? Unity scene management. Oh, the future's now. Okay. So we've got game over, hopefully working in a second. This is a public void. What? But I did the same exact thing. Right? Runtime only. Quit, exit. Stuck quit. Monoscript string name. Quit, exit. I'm just too smart. What the fuck? Why does this happen? The lighting just fucks up. It's done this on other projects too. Because where the fuck did everything go? Well, it's all still here, but where? Right? Well, right over here. Yeah, see, that's odd. That's fairly odd. Huh. Okay. So... you are... Okay, so... you are going to die. Now, so we know we know game over works. Game over works. Almost. We just need to have a way to get there. So how are we going to do that, you ask? Well, you're stupid. Obviously, we're going to just make it so that when you die, it makes that scene active. Or that active. It makes all this unactive. Wait a minute. Hold on. Just for making this easier later. I think that's camel case, probably. Uh-oh. We're just going to put all you guys. Wait. You need to be centered at 0, 0. So we're just going to put all you guys for deactivating these things later, so that there's nothing else for it to go to. Into here. Player stuff doesn't move ever, so nothing changes. Okay. Oh yeah, we need to set up 5G tower. That'll be easy. I'll do that in a second. First, we gotta make game over work. This script also isn't needed anymore, so it can leave. Probably good to just go through and clean scripts I didn't need. Okay. Game manager. So we're gonna do kind of what we did for... Wait a minute, I'm just gonna straight plunder from this game manager. Alright. Again, we might do a title screen at some point. Not top priority. That'd be something I'd do in class. Probably not stream. So what are we doing? We are making the game over work. How are we doing that? Well, you tell me. Okay, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna look at this, right? See, look at it. You seeing it? You seeing this? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Maybe. I don't know. So like, let's get rid of you. We don't need you anymore. I don't need some of this using stuff, but we'll keep it up there just in case. Just in case. Can't hurt. So we'll get health set up as a value in a minute. That was helpful. Ooh, we had something like this just a second ago. So we also need, so here, let's, you shouldn't exist anymore. So why do you? You just don't exist anymore. We're making a new one. Or no, we're just gonna remove game manager script and then add back game manager script. New. Game manager script 2. Pelth. I don't need Pelth. It doesn't exist. So why are you stuck in the past? No, no, no. I don't... Oh, it's because of this. Just mere existence. I'd imagine. So none of that exists. It's all actually a bunch of hoopla. A bunch of hootenannies. Yeah. So for now we need game over objects. Done. So if health equals 0. Again, this is all going to be in things till I have health set up. Or wait. I forget how to do like this cross script part, so that's why I never touch it. Because I never understood it. I was never good with it. And now I have to use it. Does this use it? No, it uses something similar. So... need it to say 0. That's why I was trying to get rid of it. I need somewhere where they're trying to like... Does a situation like this ever come up? It has to. You know what? We're just gonna search it up. God damn it, I can't fucking spell. There we go. The right way. Oh, we're learning the right way. Anything left in it? The player's health. I'm making a messier project. Can you, like... This would be really easy. No, they should make so you can, like, pick up things like that. Or no, that wouldn't really be helpful, actually. Never mind. you can't too skip over, because you could just drag it over and be like, well, this is what that is. Dude. Please. Just explain. I don't need to know about fucking audio source, like, cause that's a physical thing. Yes. No, require. I don't need to find different objects. I need to find that object by its tag. By its type. Huh. We might need to bring back Pelf. I hope this works. So how do you do it? Okay. So then can I just... Or yeah, because they all need to know. So... Huh. No errors, yeah. So does Pelf go down when he gets it? What script is this in? Player controller, yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna ignore that for a second. Ooh, yeah, that's probably bad. God, fuck this. Fuck this. We're just gonna figure out some other way to do it. I hate the word singleton. I don't know why. God, this is stupid. This guy gamed. This does not help. I mean, it probably helps somebody who's smarter and doesn't just, like, fly by what he's saying. But... I don't... I'm not watching this dude. Sure, accept all the fucking cookies. For 20 hours. See, I can't let this be me. This is the one guy. This dude is the most useful fucking man on Earth. This right here. I remembered it when I saw it, you know. But I've already forgotten it. Like, I knew that was the thing, but I can't remember what it said. You know what I'm saying? Alright, get component. And it's lowercase health, right? Yes. Yes. Yes? I thought I put it in. See how hard that could have not been. So if health equals 0, this all stops existing. Isn't this how you do it? Wouldn't this be? Maybe? Nope. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Baby steps. Player stuff. So. No. Nope, this is actually in my stuff. I know it is. Yeah. Yeah, what? This is how you do it. Okay, I messed up a little bit. I don't know if I need the .game object. Maybe. Not sure. No, so hopefully when I so this doesn't. You're all on your own again. You stop existing. You're both under you. Everybody's again an object of main character. So does this fuck with anything at all? No, everything looks like it still works as it should. Okay. So, now, we're going to change you to want this guy. And he has health. No, wait, that wasn't why at all. Does it have to start? Yes. Because for the very first frame, I thought of that first, but I thought it couldn't be that simple. But you might not believe me now. But you know what, it's okay. Okay, alright. Maybe we should go back to when they were all under player stuff. Things worked. Why are you just... Oh, wait, no, you're supposed to be here. Okay. Your health is going to start. No. No, 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 no. Why it no work? We're also going to set your health to... It's going to change to 3 once it starts, though. Because it's set in there. Yep. Okay, so we're just going to take some damage. Why no work? If health equal 0. Health. Your controller. But if it starts at 0, is it only checking once? Like ever? No. So why no work? I'm just gonna change you to 1 right now. So it doesn't care about hard code, it only cares about this. Health -1. Huh. That's odd, I don't think that should be working like that. But, I don't know what to do. Why does not work? Okay. So, we're just gonna keep looking at it, try and find the issue. Health is 1. It goes to 0. This is constantly checking the health. Just a thought here. May or may not go anywhere. Only checking this once. It was never updating because it was in start. I had just assumed, like a fool for some reason. Okay, and... So now... Woo! Woo! Yeah! And you can just restart and keep on playing. Only the desert looked like this all the time, but the underground didn't look like hell. Okay, so we have completed 1 feature. It took us almost 2 hours, fellas. Actually, just an hour, but for me, for how long I've been working on this, it's taken us, like tonight, just forever. Oh my god, woo! Okay, time to work on the rest of the game. So everything works. That's good. We're now going to work on the 5G tower, just real quick. It will not take as long as it did. Wait, object null. Is that going to keep appearing? Is something broken? What? No, no, no. What? Why not now? Why now? What? We just... But... What? J... Is it this? Is it this? Perhaps. No. What's that? Okay. Wait, why are you out of health? How long did it take to build? I just want to see how long it takes so far, because I do want to check out if that works real quick. Okay, I thought everything was going to disappear for a second. Let's go, boys. It's our game. What's up with you? Oh, hey, this doesn't. This only appears in editor. Exit works. All right. We're just going to call this Noah, and this is going to contain all the builds I might possibly make of this. Oh yeah, we're bleeding edge of innovation now, fellas. Look at this. We made a game. We made a game. Ooga, 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 booga. Okay, I think the reason that guy doesn't work is because his speed is set here and not in his script, isn't it? No. But he works here. Right? Does he have any values, or are there any values at all that are perhaps only working because... Editor. No. Maybe it's because they aren't set here? So just build it real quick. Just to check. PS4 publishing, I could like fucking sideload this onto my PlayStation 4. Let's go. That'd be crazy. We didn't really make any big changes, so this is just... Okay. No. And bullets are completely fucked. Okay. We're just gonna come back to this. Some point. Not right now, though. Alright. 5G tower. We're going to do 5G tower. So I actually made a model in Blender. Did not take too long. This is what a 5G tower looks like, by the way. So, yeah, 5G tower today. So the 5G tower is going to be set up. We're going to get rid of you. It's going to be set up like something. Hold on, I want to like save all of these prefab. So player stuff is saved. Okay, 5G tower is going to be its own save eventually. But what's it? So 5G towers are in the past. That's canonically because of the time machine that you take in level 2, of which I made a cutscene for the transition, because it's more coding to make the cutscene work, and to explain why you're doing what you're doing. I made it in Gary's mod, and we're going to edit it at some point together in DaVinci Resolve. I'd have to re-download that, though. So, the way this is going to work is... So your 0, 0 is now just this thing, right? Yeah. Okay. Nope, I need you to be big, not rotated either. I'm smart. Don't worry about it. A little bigger than that. And I ran into this problem, actually. I'm just thinking of look at this collider. Looks fine to you? Okay, well, look at it now. It's fucked. Unless it's a perfect sphere. Which it will be. So, you know, we should be fine. 40. 40. 40. No, it needs to be bigger than that. It needs to be like 100. 100. 100. Okay, that's a good radius for the 5G tower. Yes, and the hitbox matches up. Okay. You know, I just had an idea. So what's not going to be included in Alive stuff? So this is what's going to be in there. So now, Game Manager is actually going to set Alive stuff to off when it gets killed. So we're going to spawn in a chaser real quick to quickly, like, kill us to see how this works. So, theoretically... No. Okay, so clearly this was not set up how I thought it was. I already forget how my own thing is set up. Does that not say a lot about me? No, that should be working fine. There we go. See, look, now it's perfect. When you restart. Oh. I got a solution. So all of this, all that comprises this, up here, up above the map. So now, instead of when you lose, to make sure these guys, nothing lingers like that, because I obviously can't, this is just an easy solution, blanket solution, I don't know if that'd be a term, but it's easy. Now it's above. And this only happens in editor. Okay. See, we're moving. Alright. We're schmoving, one might say. So, we want this to be mostly transparent, this ball around it. So this ball around the 5G tower, it's going to be its area of effect. Alright. So that's AoE, if you will. Yeah, some of the new kids speak. Alright. So we're just going to apply this. We're going to get up close and personal. I think it's just as easy as... First, we're gonna turn off to not cast shadows in a minute. So now it's kind of transparent, so I don't remember how we can make it more transparent. Fuck. Okay, I did this at one point. Is it you? Yes, yes. So look, it's got this, like, translucent, like, kind of almost see-through type beat going on. It's going to be a little visible, actually. It's going to be a dark field around it. So, we gotta make it so you can walk in it. It's gotta be a trigger, you know. It's also got to do a lot of things. It's gotta not cast or receive shadows. I said this in the wrong order. So now you can walk into it, yeah? Can enemies? The enemies are going to be resistant to the effect. So the 5G tower, by the way, this whole game was designed as a joke. I don't agree with any of these viewpoints or anything expressed here. I just need to make that clear. So the 5G towers are going to emanate autism rays. They're not going to be called this in-game because school appropriate, but this is like what the original idea I had for it. Because I was looking at those shitty Facebook posts, you know, and it got me thinking, and this is what I came up with. So... you go in them, and it's going to give you autism rays, which will slowly slow you down, or they'll slowly slow. You'll be slowed. All right. Now, the enemies won't be affected by it because they're 5G libbots, libbots. They're liberal. Yeah. You get it. So they're not affected by the 5G rays, like you are, being a regular person and all. So, see, yes, I am checking my thing, just to see if I get any viewers. So, they're going to slow you down and shit like that. That's what I'm saying. But it won't slow the enemies down. And it's going to slow you down for 1 second after you get outside because of God's healing power. That's just like some exclusive, historically accurate retelling of Noah building the Ark, or of Noah's Ark lore for you, right there. Yep. On the house, too. Alright. I don't know if that was bad. I don't know if that's going to remove some of my really old stuff on my OneDrive that I like. Okay. This building over here is also not important right now. You can go. So what's this going to do? Right? Yes, I know that's what you're asking. So. Or no, we don't even need to make a script for it. So it's just going to be tagged as 5G. We're just going to do another if statement because we don't like optimization. If else, I don't know how to do that, but you know, it's okay. We'll figure it out. I will on my own at some point. Or no, start code routine. 5G. I think that's how you do the start code routine. And then can I just do null? That would work. I don't know why this isn't updating. We're just gonna do there. And then it's going to in itself start another coroutine called slow recover. And then that's going to be this IEnumerator. Which is going to return new wait for seconds 2, and then it's going to this will not work how I want it to work. Okay, so we need to figure out how to do a while statement, because last time I did that, I created a while loop and I figured it out, but so okay, so we're just going to hope that I do this right and the editor doesn't crash. We have Task Manager to fix it if it does. Where was the part where I actually compiled it? Oh, God. Player start. Yeah. I was a situation. Bro. Oh my god, and then I go through this shitty article. What script is this in? Player controller, yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna ignore that for a second. Obtain all the builds I might pop in editor. I thought everything was going to disappear first. Let's go. Okay, my bad. I just had to check something. Alright. What was I here for? While the loop. Yes. The Hyperloop. Elongated muskrat. So, I think the idea would just be hold on, wait. I'll just search how to do it correctly. Okay. So hopefully this will work. Wait a minute, I have an idea. So I'm thinking. Rare. We're just gonna make all of this poopy head blocks, ploopies, if you will. Wait, no, I need these. So, while collision.gameObject.tag equal 5G, speed equals 1. Oh yeah, and health equals 3. Enough. We don't have any chasers in the scenes right now. So, okay. We're gonna save here in case something goes horribly wrong. Made sure to make the radius have the 5G tag. But I don't want to enter it, you know? I know I had this working, I don't remember how though. That's how. Okay, so something's wrong with our code because Unity just broke. Alright, we're gonna have to restart the Unity editor. I was prepared for this. Made sure to save beforehand. Oh, this is Persona 5 RPCS 3. I have Royal installed, but I don't think I set it to make a thing. Okay, we're here. First thing we're going to do is fix this problem. So, new solution. And we're going to make a third if statement after this. Just you wait. And I'm going to see if it works. Wait a minute. Okay. Why does it want me to put an if back there? It's stupid. Okay. If. Does that work? Can I get away with that? No. Fuck. Let's figure it out. Huh. So we can have nothing else that changes your speed. You're constantly sprinting everywhere. You know what? We're just going to get really basic with it. have a rigid body. This might break because I don't know if that makes sense. Because there's no thing to say if, else, if, false. Just else, if. That might fuck it up, but you know, we'll see. Okay, so we can collide with it and it sets our speed to 1. We still need a way to change it back. But oh yeah, I'm dumb. Not to fix this, but that just obviously isn't doing anything. Okay. Oh, I see. Can I just leave that? Or where does that gotta change to? I don't think it does, because it's just like a way to... Yeah, alright. So now we're 1 speed. How do we fix this? We don't. No. There, we're just gonna do that. is kind of what I'm trying to do. But I need it to be able to stop once it's over. Wait a second. Wait 1 second. I think I'm doing something dumb. I think I had it earlier, and I messed myself up. Okay. First things first, though, we need to change some stuff. Where are you ending? Okay. We're just gonna get rid of that G. Alright. So. Fuck. So we're just gonna. Didn't need it. Okay. Everything's still working fine? No! Where are you connected? There. Okay. You're useless? No. Alright. We're gonna bring you back a bit though, so everything looks correct. So, this may work. Everything want to function right now? No. No! No, no, no. See, I need a while statement, but it won't want to fucking work. Do you guys really need to be in here? That might fuck something up. So, what if I take... So, does that mean they can still communicate? No, they have to be down here in this. What if it's just sitting there, outside of a void? That won't work. What if you're public? We'll do that too. So it can interact with other things. But no, you can interact... Is it because it was, like, before it? Well, no, you'd want... This is annoying and stupid. I love working with Unity right now. Okay. It's not gonna fix the problem, but... See, look, they keep gaining their speed back. Because it keeps running the same fucking... So if we could place a tiny dome, I'd imagine, that only had colliders, like, not inside, but around. Here, hold on. I'll try and show you what I mean. Radius out. how can I change the collider to only... I think that's correct usage of side effects. Okay, so I've figured it out. I'm just going to have to box it in. Okay. Alright, see, I'm big smart. Watch this shit. Alright. And we'll figure out how to make them, like, fully transparent later. I know you can do it. So this is the side one. And we'll get the corners, too. So this is about as big as it's practically going to need to be, like, height-wise. Okay. This might not work how I wanted it to. At least not without a lot more sides. But we'll do what we have to. so that wherever you leave this fucking dome, you should get put back up to speed. You know, this is a Band-Aid solution because I figured out how to do this at school, so I'll just fix it there. But this is just a Band-Aid solution, so we have it done, you know? Alright, I think this wall is really coming together. So to make this a little faster, we could possibly try. Here, we just kind of rotate the whole wall in such a way. No, because it's only everyone gonna want to be on that side. Working on it. Some more work still needs to be done on stuff like the chaser at some point to make sure they don't immediately know where you are and start aggroing towards you. But that'd be an easy fix. Because I could just add a radius around them and then have it only once you collide with that will they start chasing you. These capsules make me think of that one, like these things, that one guy that made that video talking about how his head is not, my head does not look like a sodding Tic Tac. You guys know what I'm talking about? Do we have any viewers? No. Alright, here, hold up. I'll pull this up for you guys. Oh, he did a you win? Oh my god, no. I don't know which one of these it is, so we're just looking at all of them. Okay.
Hey up, and welcome to Callum's Corner. Now, I've had to say this a few times now, but this is the final time that I will say this. Shut up about my head. It is normal. It is a nice head. It does not look like a sodding Tic Tac. Hey up, and welcome to Callum's Corner.
Callum's Corner.
Now, I've had to say this a few times now, but this is the final time that I will say this. Shut up about my head. It is normal. It is a nice head. It does not look like a sodding tic tac. I don't think you know who you're dealing with here. Look how tall I am. 6'5". Look at me. I'm like a beast.
Good 4 inches.
You
of
don't
that come
want
from
to
his
be
head,
mocking
bro.
me, I tell you. And you idiots, all of you, the people who are mocking me, you look like spasmoids. One of them looks like a jacket potato with glasses on his head, and I swear there's ginger people trying to mock me. You know, I'm not the kind of person you want to be messing with. I don't like cats. I don't think kittens and puppy dogs are cute. In fact, I think all cats are dickheads, if I'm honest with you. When I see them in my garden, I'm not cooing over them. I run out there and scare them away. So you want to think carefully before you start mocking my head again, because I'm taking names down and I will shame you all in a video. You wouldn't be saying this if you were standing in front of me. You'd be cowering. You know, when I eat peanut M&Ms, I crush each one in my fingers, so I'm strong. Do you know what I mean? You need to stop this stupidity, or there will be consequences. Names are taken and you will be shamed in a video. That's all I've got to say about that.
Hey up and welcome to Callum's Corner. It's been the worst night of my life. I went for a McDonald's. I said I was gonna, so I did. I'll try and console myself. I had a Big Mac in honour of Michelle. It was like taking some kind of sad communion. It stuck in my throat. I couldn't even eat it. Ended up just walking round and round and round on my own, lonely and alone. It all just hit home, didn't it? Everyone was right. My head does look like a sodding tic-tac. I'm not going to be with anyone. I felt like Quasimodo. Everyone was looking at me. How can I go incognito with Humpty Bloody Dumpty on my shoulders? It's just all hitting home. It's a lie. It's all a bloody lie, isn't it? I don't even care. I don't even mind puppies. I like them. I mean, cats are selfish little spasmoids, but that was the best part of my night as well. Got home, opened my gate, the car door opened. Didn't think anything of it until they were behind me. It's Gareth. He shoved his fingers under my nose. He said, "Fish fingers, smell 'em." It was. I know that nectar anywhere.
This guy is great. I didn't know he had more videos like this. Oh my god. Alright. Don't look at my YouTube recommended, you fucks. But, alright. Successfully, re-energized from watching a man go through the 5 stages of grief. It was just a bunch of denying and then acceptance. Really. Yeah. Huh. I don't know. That's just the square of life. Speaking of squares, how is our big, giant circle of squares going? So, this is really inefficient. And again, I'm going to replace it at some point. But, I'll do a playthrough of the finished product when it's done for you guys. It probably won't be that fun or interesting. But I'm going to try my best. That's a big hole that's a hole you could leave out of. So is that one. We're just going to... There we go. Fills up nicely. This won't even matter though, unless you come out like we actually just need another block. There we go. See guys, I'm the world's best game developer. Oh, it's finally built. It's looking good. It's looking good. So these towers are really just a stationary version. There'll only be a few of them, and they're going to be using a way more, like I said, simple and efficient system than side 1 12 times. But, you know. And they're all going to have the tag 5G safe. So this is just for testing. They're going to get textured later. Don't worry about it. Oh yeah, and they all need to be triggers. And this can actually change back to on trigger enter. It is capped, right? Okay. You got no other suggestions? I don't know what that's doing. Okay. Where? What do you mean? Looks exactly the same. If trigger.gameObject.tag equal gsafe. What the fuck? Do you need your own on private void on trigger enter? Oh my god, no way, I see. Stupid decision. real quick. Okay, so it's not perfect. This spot, you don't get turned back instantly. We can fix that. Yeah, good enough. It's okay. It's okay. It'll all be sorted. Not tomorrow, but, well, technically tomorrow because it's Monday. When I upload it, and this doesn't even have to exist anymore. Why did I spend so much time on it? Just to get it done. We're just for now, again, since this is all fucking placeholder, I'm going to give them a, fake transparent. Oh my god, time to do all of them individually. Didn't take long, so 12. Alright, looks good. So, yeah, you guys see what I mean. I don't know how I'm gonna... Yeah, I had a better system set up that worked on a time while you were... So, 5G grenades will not get done tonight, but they'll be done tomorrow. Or softballs. Yeah, they'll be done in class. Huh. We should make the enemies AoE for now. Oh, also, let's just make this a prefab. We're gonna call it 5G tower walls. Okay, this is the 5G tower that employs the use of 5,000 fucking walls. Because we're gonna do some basic map building tonight, I think I wanted to. It's already been 2 hours, 11 minutes, 12 minutes, Jesus. I've barely done anything. Alright. So we're just going to get the chasers thing done. And we're also going to get the grenade thrower going. So we're going to have him throw his things. Hold up. Okay, we're back. Alright. So, what was I doing? Oh yeah, Chaser. Chaser AoE. You know what? Actually, we're going to give this AoE to the player. So, just to make things easier. So how far do the enemies have to be to start detecting you? Yeah, that far might be a little too generous. So that's how far any enemy can be from you at a given time before it starts aggroing. I'll make it a little bigger. Okay. But it's a trigger. Oh, it's because the player's trying to move up to... Ooh. Eesh. Ark, even. Tell you what. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why it was so fucked. Okay. We're going to make it fully transparent later. Like, I'll do that. After this, I think it'll be the last thing I'll do. Because I still do, like I said, have that whole week. So I'll work on softball enemy. But I need to start on... I need to get the transition to level 2 done, and then... So this, get the transition to level 2 done. And that'll be it for tonight. Because I do want to play some games. Okay, so. Give this its own tag. Call it P-Anger. Panger, if you will. Player anger. So then, where's the enemy? Yeah, he just uses, Chaser just uses the enemy script, right? Or the Chaser script specific. Yeah, because enemy is just, yeah. So. I think collider can be lowercase, right? Not from what I'm seeing. Okay. Wait. It's just Panger lowercase, right? Yeah. There. Okay. This should work. I might do another one of these streams working on over next weekend because we'll have a little bit of time, I think, or sometime over the week. Oh. So he does not anger him right now, but as soon as he steps in this, does he have a rigid body actually? Oh my god. Yeah, non-kinematic rigid body. Panger. I don't know why that would have affected anything, but Panger. Panger. Don't know. already know how to just, I'm hoping it'll like... Is it because this is collider other and not collider trigger? I mean, that can't be it. You know, here, I got an idea. Let's say danger, because why not? Alright. So this thing is actually going to be attached to Chaser instead of us. Alright. So here, just wait for where I'm going with this. Okay. I did this earlier with Game Manager. I gotta go back and look at it real quick to remember the exact thing. Yeah, alright, so excited to I figured it out and I got it typed down. Now I can just keep referring to it. So now, hopefully, maybe Panger's the problem. AoE. This. Is that what they wanted? Hmm. So it knows what danger is. Is it that that's different? I don't know. You know. This is stupid. The first way I did it should have worked. It worked for the fucking thing I can't find now, the 5G thing, because I deleted it. So why the fuck doesn't it work for this? That's stupid. That's... Got some choice words for that. It is a trigger. And this says on trigger enter. What if it's just a simple collision? What if it's a collision instead of a trigger? Just to make sure we're all cool here. You know. Just make sure we're all fine. Alright, it's a collider now. And this is on collision. This is going to become part of on collision. Oh, fuck. Why is it a square or a circle in the first place? It should just be a big square. On the way to the danger zone. You know what, we're just gonna set this right here. You know what, that's too far of a walk. We're just gonna set it. I don't get it. If we once again make the danger zone part of the player, theoretically it's going to hit the chaser pretty quick, right? But your part. Alright. It was never tagged. That might have been part of the problem. So, that's literally it. It's just not working. Do you need to be the one with a rigid body? Because you have one. Trigger. Trigger. Oh my god. It's because... Oh, that's stupid and annoying and dumb. Okay, I figured out the problem. Alright. This guy can't have that many tags attached to him. Alright. So the solution is to create the object. Okay, so we're going to have it follow us without being tagged with us. You know what? We're actually just gonna... There we go. Alright, boom. Supposed to follow, though. I mean, this worked. want it in update instead of late update. But yeah, that's what I use for my enemies. Hell, I could just use... This took up a lot of time. We're not doing the transition tonight for like level 1 to level 2. I'm going to do that on my own time. At school, actually, on the school's time. Because I really don't want to do this anymore, but I want to get this done. Streaming for 2 hours, 54 minutes, just coding. You know. Sodding tic-tac. Trying to play Call of Duty, you know, man. Get chopper, gunner, kill streak. Yeah, but that's it. Now I gotta make sure this guy actually gets a rigid body at some point. He's always gonna be right on point with them. Okay. I'm just going to hope they don't just stand there. They move, because otherwise it just breaks. This will get changed very soon to a completely transparent texture. But this works for now. For testing and stuff. Alright. Good hustle, fellas. Alright. Good hustle. I'm gonna get that cutscene edited. At some point. Maybe tomorrow. Later today. To let you know. We might come back for another stream. If I ever decide to do any more of this at home, because I'll try and get it working so I can work on it at home and at school, I will update you guys with some new info. Yeah. But until then, I'll see y'all.